Have you ever desired to have one full body cleanser for simple everyday living? Like perhaps a simple bar of soap for your skin, hair, hands, and feet, and other sensitive body parts? Well, look no further. My name is Talisha Lynn, and I am the creator of Blessings 3-in-1 All Natural Body Soap. Today, I would like to quickly share the beauty of using a natural cleansing bar. This is a product that you must truly see it in action to believe how great it works. I've created this bar of soap using plant-based oils infused with vitamins and natural cleansing properties. As you can see here, I am preparing to wash a full head of hair with this single bar of soap. It does not contain any fragrances, dyes, artificial cleaning agents, or any plastic containers, which are harmful to your body and also to the environment. Its natural ingredients make it safe to use on your skin, scalp, and other sensitive body parts. Just make sure to avoid getting the soap in your eyes and remember to rinse thoroughly to remove all of the product completely. Lastly, my favorite aspect of using this amazing bar of soap is that a little bit goes a long way. After you get your hair completely wet, just rub a decent amount of soap in your hands and on the hair, leaving it feeling squeaky clean. Also, the natural oils helps to nourish the scalp with rich nutrients that leaves the hair feeling nice and soft. Finally, rinse, gently dry, and immediately apply conditioner to lock in the moisture. It's that pure and it's that simple. So to conclude, I really hope that you was able to see the beauty in using an all-natural cleansing bar. Think of it this way. You have a bottle of shampoo, you have a bar of soap, and a face cleanser all in one. This means you save money, time, and space on purchasing skin and hair products. And before I forget, you can also purchase a 8-ounce bar of my Blessings 3-in-1 body soap for just $12. This equates to a single bottle of your favorite shampoo. If you would like to learn more about natural skin and hair care products, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Visit AliciNaturalSkincare.com for your skincare needs. Thank you and take care.